Listen up, you lot. We're about to dive deep into the bloody delicious world of American bakeries. From humble beginnings to multi-million-dollar empires, we'll uncover the secrets behind their sugary success. We'll explore how this industry rose from simple bread ovens to the intricate artistic creations you see today. We'll take you through the history, the evolution, and the innovation that has shaped American bakeries into what they are now. So grab a seat and maybe a donut because this journey is going to be as sweet as it gets.
Right, let's get down to business. The American bakery market is a multi-billion-dollar industry, you hear me? It's a fiercely competitive market with some big players dominating the scene. We're talking about the likes of Bimbo Bakeries, Flowers Foods, and Grupo Bimbo. These guys are the heavyweights. But don't think for a minute that this market is a piece of cake. Consumer trends are changing faster than you can say croissant, and only the strong will survive. Now let's dive a bit deeper. The sheer scale of this industry is mind-boggling. We're not just talking about bread and pastries here. Oh no, it's much more than that. Think about the variety. From artisanal sourdoughs to gluten-free options, the market is constantly evolving. And with the rise of health-conscious consumers, bakeries are innovating like never before. It's a dynamic landscape, and those who can adapt will thrive. So what's the takeaway? The American bakery market is a powerhouse, but it's not for the faint-hearted. It's a bloody big deal, and only those with the right mix of tradition and innovation will make it to the top.
Now let's get one thing straight. Not all bakeries are created equal. You've got your traditional bakeries churning out classic loaves and pastries, the bread and butter of the industry. These bakeries have been around for generations, perfecting their craft and serving their communities with pride. Then there's the artisanal lot, with their sourdoughs and focaccias charging a bloody fortune for a single loaf. These bakers focus on quality and tradition, often using age-old techniques and the finest ingredients. And let's not forget the industrial giants pumping out mass-produced goods faster than you can blink. These bakeries rely on efficiency and scale, producing vast quantities to meet the demands of supermarkets and large retailers. And then there's the gluten-free, the organic, the vegan, catering to every dietary whim under the sun. These bakeries are on the rise, offering alternatives for those with specific dietary needs or preferences, ensuring everyone can enjoy a delicious baked treat. No matter the type, each bakery has its own unique charm and appeal, contributing to the rich tapestry of the baking industry. From dough to door, the journey of a baked good is a testament to the passion and dedication of bakers everywhere.
Now, let's talk about the punters, the lot who devour your hard work. You've got your die-hard bread lovers, the cake fiends, and those who can't resist a good pastry. Understanding these gluttons is key. Are they millennials obsessed with sourdough? Soccer moms craving cupcakes? You need to know their cravings inside out, because a confused customer is a customer who's walking straight out the door and into the arms of your competition. Dive deeper into their habits. Are they early birds grabbing a quick breakfast, or late-night snackers looking for a sweet treat? Maybe they're health-conscious folks seeking gluten-free options. Each group has its own unique preferences and spending habits. Tailoring your offerings to meet these specific needs can make all the difference. Remember, a satisfied customer is not just a one-time buyer, but a loyal patron who will keep coming back for more. So get to know your audience and cater to their desires with precision.
Listen, some things are a bloody given in this business. Bread, you better be baking it and baking it right. It's the cornerstone of any bakery worth its salt. From crusty sourdough to fluffy white loaves, bread is king. It's the first thing people think of when they hear the word bakery. Then there's cakes, birthday parties, weddings, or just a Tuesday treat. A good cake is non-negotiable. Cakes bring joy and celebration to any occasion, and let's not forget the pastries. Croissants, danishes, pain au chocolat, those flaky, buttery temptations that have people queuing out the door. Pastries are the epitome of indulgence. Get these right and you might just stand a chance. The competition is fierce, but with the right products you can carve out your niche. It's all about quality and consistency. Every loaf, every cake, every pastry needs to be perfect. Every single time. When customers know they can rely on you for their favorite treats, they'll keep coming back, and that's the secret to a successful bakery.
Listen up, you donut delinquents. Running a bakery is more than just whipping up a decent croissant. It's about crafting a business plan so sharp it could slice through a sourdough. We're diving deep into the dough, dissecting the ingredients of a bakery's income and expenses. You'll learn to calculate profit margins tighter than your grandma's cling film and master pricing strategies that would make even a Wall Street shark jealous. Fail to pay attention, and you'll be going back to culinary school with your tail between your legs.
Right. You want to open a bakery in America? This ain't some Mickey Mouse operation. First, you need market research hotter than my ovens on a Saturday night. We're talking a business plan so detailed it outlines every sprinkle on every cupcake. Location, permits, equipment, suppliers. You'll be drowning in paperwork, and that's before you've even hired a single pastry chef. But get it right, and you'll be rolling in dough before you can say chocolate ganache. Now, let's break it down. Start with market research. Understand your competition, your target audience, and what makes your bakery unique. Then, draft a business plan. This should include your vision, mission, and detailed financial projections. Next, find the perfect location. It should be accessible, have good foot traffic, and fit your brand's vibe. Don't forget the permits. Health, safety, and business licenses are crucial. Once you've got the paperwork sorted, invest in quality equipment. Ovens, mixers, display cases, the works. Build relationships with reliable suppliers for your ingredients. And finally, hire a passionate team. Your staff should share your vision and dedication to quality. With all these elements in place, you'll be well on your way to baking success. Remember, it's a lot of work, but the sweet rewards are worth it.
The bakery business is a battlefield, and only the strong survive. Competition will be fierce, health inspectors stricter than me with a burnt creme brulee, and trends changing faster than you can say gluten-free. But don't crumble under pressure. We'll be tackling these challenges head-on. Learn to adapt, innovate, and create something truly spectacular. This is your chance to rise to the occasion and become a baking legend. Every day brings new hurdles, from sourcing the finest ingredients to managing a bustling kitchen. But with every challenge comes an opportunity to shine. Embrace the chaos and let it fuel your creativity. Remember, the best bakers are those who can turn obstacles into stepping stones. So roll up your sleeves, preheat those ovens, and get ready to bake your way to success. The journey won't be easy, but the rewards are oh so sweet.
Right, you lot. We've seen the good, the bad, and the downright disastrous in the bakery world. But today, we're diving into the kitchens of those who didn't crumble under pressure. These bakers saw an opportunity and seized it, turning simple ingredients into culinary gold. Get ready to learn from the best, because these success stories are packed with more flavor than a perfectly baked croissant. Right, you lot, listen up. The bakery scene in America, it's evolving faster than you can say sourdough. This isn't your grandma's baking anymore. It's about innovation, pushing boundaries, and adapting to what customers want. We're talking technology changing the game, from online ordering to automated production. And let's not forget sustainability. Consumers are demanding it, and frankly, it's about bloody time. Bakeries that ignore these trends, they're going straight in the bin.
So there you have it, the American bakery scene, a bloody delicious business journey. We've covered the lot from understanding your market to navigating the bloody minefield of regulations. Remember, success in this industry takes more than just a good recipe. It demands passion, creativity, and the relentless pursuit of perfection. Now get out there, raise your standards, and bake like your life depends on it. We've cooked up a storm today, haven't we? From the rich history of American baking to the modern challenges and triumphs of running a bakery, we've tackled it all. This journey has shown us that the industry demands passion, innovation, and a bloody good product. So, whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, remember to keep pushing boundaries. Now go forth and conquer the world, one delicious pastry at a time. The future of baking is in your hands.
We hope you liked the video and it is useful to you. We are sure that it has been able to inspire you to choose what direction you are going to take when starting your business. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like, and activate the notification bell. Share us. We hope to see you in the next video.